everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be creating a beautiful fall tablescape that brings warmth, coziness, and seasonal charm right into the dining room. Before we start styling, let's do a quick cleanup to make sure the space is fresh and ready. First, I'm starting with the dining table. I'm giving it a quick dusting to remove any buildup and fingerprints. This step is important because it gives us a clean surface to work on. Next, I'll move over to the credenza. I'm wiping it down to bring back that shine and also cleaning the mirror right above it. A clean mirror instantly makes the room look brighter and more polished. Now a quick vacuum over the carpet just to remove any dust or crumbs. This will really set the stage for our cozy fall setup.
I got no reason to be sad. My mood is convinced me that it's bad. With every emotion that I had, but you don't care. Oh my God, it's so strange how we end up being here again. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. Oh my God, it's so strange. You're right. I could just send from miles away. It's a freeway to outer space. If you give me air, baby, I swear that would be alright. I'm asking to save it all over again. I'm asking to save it all over again. If we were a movie, then how would it end? But you don't care. Oh my God, it's so strange how we end up being here again.
With the space fresh and clean, it's time to start the fun part. I'm taking two beautiful fall garlands and laying them lengthwise across the center of the table. These garlands will serve as our table runner, bringing in all those warm autumn colors. Next, I'm adding in some pumpkins to really bring that fall harvest feel. I have a mix of different sizes and shades that I'm placing them evenly along the garland, tucking some into the leaves so it looks layered and balanced. The goal is to make the centerpiece feel abundant and full of texture. Now for my favorite part, lighting. I'm bringing in battery-operated candles. These give that cozy glow without the worry of open flame, and they really elevate the whole tablescape. I'm staggering them at different heights along the garland, placing a few battery-operated candles in the middle. Once they're switched on, the warmth adds such a magical touch. And here it is, the finished fall tablescape. The garlands as a runner bring in that beautiful seasonal color, the pumpkins add charm and texture, and the candles give it that cozy glow that's perfect for fall evenings. This setup works beautifully for family dinners, Thanksgiving, or just adding some seasonal warmth to your home. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor and seasonal inspiration. I'll see you in the next one.
Truth.